Welcome back. My name is Prince from the Good Life School, and I want to teach you how to authenticate your IPC account. In other words, I want to help you to go through the process of binding your IPC account to Google Authenticator. And to do that, you will need to download this very app. This one is called Google Authenticator. So after you have downloaded the authenticator, what you have to do is that you would have to go into your account, your IPC account. So you log into your IPC account, and after you have logged in, there are some few processes that you're going through. So after you log into your IPC account, you have to click on the two-factor authentication, and then the page would open for you. And when that page is opened, you will see a lot of QR codes there. Yes, we are about to set up our authenticator. So what you do is this. You are going to scan this one, set up Google Authenticator. You know, the QR code you see there, that is what we are going to use to bind it. Okay, so you may need about two phones, smartphones, to do this, or a computer, a laptop, so that you can scan the QR code. Yes, so in this process, I am going to use the computer to do the scanning. Okay, I just wanted you to know the process. That is why I opened up this place for you to know. Okay, I'm now going to my PC to go and scan this code. I'm going to scan it. Yes, so back to the Google Authenticator. And then I would scan. So you scan a QR code. Okay. Yes, it has been done. Good. So now that this has been done, we are now coming to bind. Have you seen these codes or these numbers? That is what we use to go and bind it. So you copy this one, you go back to the IPC account, and then you paste it there, and then you are good to go. Back to the IPC account, we are trying to see, how to bind this Google Authenticator. Now, we have been able to scan the code and we have to bind it. So that is the process ongoing. Whilst waiting, let me say that IPC is a brokerage platform for trading forex or foreign exchange. I have never regretted joining it. So if you are in the process of joining IPC, congratulations already. You are on your way to financial success. Congratulations on your decision to join IPC. Good. You copy this code and then you paste it here. And after that, you add your password. Okay. Then after that, you bind. Okay. So basically, this is the process that is used to bind. Sometimes it's quite difficult binding because of network issues. So if you should be facing a challenge, that means you have to keep going back to the authenticator to be copying a code that will be given every 30 seconds or so. Yes, you copy it and then you paste it into the IPC account. Keep trying, you will succeed. It's quite difficult depending on where you are located and the nature of network that you have been dealing with. So basically, I have to post again and then try to see if I can bind. So basically, this is the process of binding the Google Authenticator to your IPC. The next time I will show you how to fund your IPC account. how to fund your IPC account. That will be the next thing I'm going to show you. Subscribe to this channel to afford you opportunity to learn more about IPC and foreign currency trade. Thank you for watching.